Millions of Indian women are getting educated, but 80% of them never get into workforce. Why? As of 2024, 19.2% of graduate Indian women are working. This number was 32% in the year of 2005. In spite of the increase in the number of graduates, what is actually happening here? The unpaid work trap. According to the Economic Times, women work for 7.5 hours inside their home, whereas this number is less than 2 hours for men. They work in unpaid labor. They take care of their home, they do the caregiving responsibilities and whatnot. And because of that, they don't have the energy as well as time to go out and work. Lack of supportive work environment. Though a woman decides to resume back, she expects some kind of flexibility. In many of the workplaces, it is still a question. It's still an issue. We still have some kind of a toxic work culture wherein people believe that we have to work more hours and only then we can be seen as productive. Working more hours has nothing to do with productivity. It is all about flexibility and accountability. We need not look for underrepresentation in leadership position in the boardroom where we have less than 10%. Then how the needed policies will happen? How will they know the actual pain point? All these reasons are keeping our Indian women inside the home. What we need is flexibility. What we need is a much better work culture. What we need is a much better support from family, from community, as well as from organizations. That's when the real change happens.